Today I'm going to be talking about making a notification group using OpenPoint Web. This is the first in a duo of videos about alert rules. Alert rules are specific rules you can create that will send a notification via either email or text to groups of people that you set when certain requirements have been met. The second video will cover setting those rules. You can check out the link in the description for that video. This video, however, will be focusing on creating the groups of people that can be assigned to receive the notifications. First, we'll need to access the page where we can create these groups. Log into OpenPoint Web, and from the main page, click on the 3 lines menu, and then on this drop-down. We can see here that we have this new option, Alert Rules. Let's go ahead and click on that, and now we will see a list of a few existing rules. We could take a quick peek on one by clicking at it. See here in the top we have a Notification Channels option. Clicking on that will show us the current groups or channels that are assigned to receive notifications for this alert. You can use the pencil icon in the top area to edit the settings for the channels as well, adding new ones or deleting existing ones. Now quickly let's click the X to close out of that and then select Manage Notifications. This will take us to a list of all notification channels that we have created. We can click on the existing channels to view or change the name of the channel and any recipients in the channel. We can also click on the orange circle to create a new channel. Doing so will prompt us for a name, and then ask us for any contacts. Clicking Add will ask us if you're entering a phone number or an email. Any emails are accepted, and only US phone numbers will work. When entering a phone number, dashes are optional. Then give the recipient a name, and we are set. We can repeat this process as many times as needed until we have every recipient ready. Then all we have to do is click Save, and there we go. We have successfully made a notification channel. I'll show you how to add that channel to an alert rule in the next video, so make sure you check out that one too.